Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Shadowing channel. I'm very happy that you are learning English with me today. In this lesson, I will talk about a person I admire. This topic is very common in IELTS speaking, especially in part to the language in this script is simple and clear. It is suitable for IELTS Band 5.0 learners. Please listen carefully. Try to repeat each sentence after me. Focus on pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Now, let's begin. The person I admire the most is my mother. She is the closest person to me in my life. My mother is not a famous person. She is not rich or powerful. However, she is very important to me. She is a kind, gentle, and caring person. She always puts her family before herself. For me, she is a role model and a source of strength. My mother has a very busy daily life. She wakes up early every morning. She prepares meals and takes care of the house. Besides that, she also worries about everyone in the family. She remembers small details, like what we like to eat or how we feel, even when she is tired. She rarely complains. She always tries to stay positive and calm. What I admire most about my mother is her personality. She is very patient and understanding. When I make mistakes, she does not shout at me. She explains things slowly and clearly. She believes that people can improve over time. She teaches me that making mistakes is part of learning. Her calm attitude helps me feel safe and confident whenever I feel stressed or confused. I talk to my mother. She always listens carefully. She never interrupts me. She gives simple advice, but it is always practical. Sometimes she just tells me to relax and take things step by step. Her words help me feel less worried and more hopeful because of my mother. I try to become a better person. I try to be more patient and more responsible. She teaches me that success is not only about money, it is also about kindness, effort, and honesty. Her influence on my life is very strong. In conclusion, my mother is the person I admire the most. She has taught me many important lessons in life. I feel grateful to have her by my side. She is my biggest support and my inspiration. Thank you very much for shadowing with me today. Please practice this script many times to improve your English speaking skills. See you in the next video.